Welcome to Excel Tally software. Today, we'll be learning how to clear bank bulk suspense. Let's get started. In this video, we'll focus only on how to clear suspense entries. If you'd like to learn the full bank import process, you can watch our How to Import Bank Data video. As soon as you click on Export to Tally, a tool will open. This is the Bank Suspense Clear tool. With this tool, you can clear all your suspense entries. The great part is that you only need to clear the suspense entries once. For the same bank in the future, the tool will automatically clear the suspense entries for you. To start, expand the narration column. You can also clear suspense by selecting separate vouchers here. From the narration, you can search for the party's name. Then, click on the suspense field and type the party's name. If the party name is already created in Tally, a list will appear for you to select from. If the party name is not yet created, simply type it in, and the software will automatically create the ledger for that party. Search for the party names one by one and clear the suspense entries in bulk. Remember, this needs to be done only once. Next time, the software will automatically clear the suspense entries for that company. You can also clear suspense entries based on the amount. For example, if you type less than 100, all entries below 100 rupee will appear. You can categorize these entries as bank charges. Here, you can see below how much total suspense you have, how much has been cleared, and how much is still pending. For bank-to-bank transactions, you can classify them as contra entries. If a transaction is from one bank to another, you can enter it under contra. Simply search bank account number. You can type the last 4 digits of the account number. Then change the voucher type to contra and select the bank name from the suspense list. The entry will now be a contra entry for ICICI Bank. Next, for the second bank, example SBI, search last 4 digits of the account number and enter delete contra in the suspense field. A delete contra ledger will be created in Tally, and you can easily delete the entry from Tally. If for some reason you need to stop working and still have several pending suspense entries to clear, simply click on Save and don't export. The next time you export the bank data, you won't need to clear the suspense again. Next, click on Export to Tally. Here, you can assign the group and create ledgers. Click on Create and wait for the entries to be imported. You need to wait until you receive a message confirming that the entries have been successfully imported. The message will say, Entries imported successfully. And that's how you can quickly clear bank suspense using the tool. For more details, you can contact us at 9886799378 or visit our website at www.fastinflow.com. Thank you.